In this training, you are going to learn how to set up your very own website in under 1 hour without needing any technical skills whatsoever. I'm going to walk you through every single step, including how to set up your own domain name and how to get this beautiful site that you see on screen. Now, this site is going to be perfect if you are a business, an agency, or a freelancer. You could see that it shows your team members, your services, your portfolio, your experience, the prices and plans, and it even includes a blog so you can really do all your content marketing here as well and get a ton of traffic to the site. Now, if you want to set up a slightly different site, maybe an e-commerce site or a more personal site, I'll show you how to do that as well. It's just one different step in the process. Now, I have never got a quote for a site like this for less than $5,000. I'm going to show you how to do it for $150. So by following the steps in this training, you're going to save thousands of dollars, or you can even create sites for other people using this process, and you can make a nice margin on that as well. So that's what we're going to do in this training. Let us get straight into it.